Hi, good day. This is Alex Gan. Thanks for purchasing my new course on this ultimate guide to make side hustle income with ChatGPT, MidJourney, and other AI tools, right? So before I go in depth into sharing the content of my course here in the subsequent chapter, let me also give you an intro of this course and what it's going to cover in this course, right? Right. So thanks again for picking up this course. I believe with this course, you're going to learn a lot about the way how you can, some secret, some tips how you can make side hustle income with ChatGPT, MidJourney, and other AI tools, right? So it has been a while, right? I think the AI is now a very famous trend nowadays, right? And there's a lot of opportunity come along with the AI, right? A lot of AI apps or tools have been launched monthly on the market also, right? The statistic has shown that there are thousands of AI tools, new AI tools have been launched lately, right? And monthly it can go up to 1,000, right? So with this flood of the AI tools, you may get lost of what would be the best AI tools you can utilize to create content, right? Even you may want to create content for your own personal use, or you want to sell this content to other people to make a lot of money, or as a full-time income, or as a side hustle income, right? So that is the purpose of I create this guide, right? How to actually show you what are the tools available in the market, right? Most of the tools is free here. Even you have to pay money, it's just a little fee you have to pay monthly, right? I think tool like ChatGPT is purely free unless you want to update to the advanced version, right? MidJourney and other tools, right? So with all these tools, right, I'm going to show you step by step. All these tools I have used before. I'm going to show you step by step how we can actually make use of this tool, right, to create different content. It could be textual content, it could be graphic content, it could be images, or could be videos, or it could be a website or landing page, or any how we call it as a copywriting, right? So that is where we are on this topic, right? So let me quickly show to you what you'll be learning from these courses, right? So here is what you'll be learning. The first thing you're going to learn how to use ChatGPT to dramatically increase productivity in business and your daily work, right? And second, how to use ChatGPT to generate marketing content and writing speed, such as email, paper writing, blog, presentation, script, video script, course outline for ebook or video, and many, many more, right? So if you have used ChatGPT before, you know how powerful is ChatGPT, right? And in fact, ChatGPT is the most important, the most useful AI tools and I would say it's the most original AI tool even created, right? It's actually create a lot of value to the human, right? In terms of giving you a lot of convenience, a lot of expedite, a lot of work written. It could be marketing content, it could be sales content writing. Third point, how to use MidJourney. MidJourney is a tool to generate graphic, right? It can generate very beautiful, vivid graphic or images, right? By just given a prompt, right? So 4 point, how to use CapCut in video to generate video, right? CapCut and InVideo are the two key AI video tools I have been using, right? Which is able to generate you super fast, high quality content, right? Video, this video you can use it to as a marketing link. You can post this video into your Facebook, your social media account like Instagram, like TikTok, right? Or even for YouTube channel, right? So point number 5, I also will share with you some their case study for using ChatGPT or other AI tool for monetization, right? So here is a key here, right? The key of this course is many of the course outside there actually they didn't go in depth into showing you how to use this AI tool to monetize, right? So I created this course with the purpose to actually to show you there are many ways to monetize with these AI tools, right? So the key here is creating hot selling ebook and publish in Amazon. I show you step by step how we can create hot selling ebook, right? It just at the fingertips, right? And it can publish in the Amazon, right? So in the past, if you want to hire someone to create the ebook content, could be you hire some freelancer. It could be that use weeks or even months to write a ebook, right? And this costs you a lot of money, right? The next one is creating marketing graphic and sell it in free pick, right? So you can create marketing graphic with some of the AI tool like MidJourney or like the Microsoft one. Microsoft have their own AI tools also, right? I will show you as part of the courses also, right? And you can sell this in the free pick, right, and make money. Point 5.3, creating on-demand content and sell in freelancer site, such as Upwork and Fiverr. I will also show you how you can find business opportunity or people on demand demanding some services from freelancer site like Upwork or Fiverr, right? And also Upwork and Fiverr are the two key main freelancer site you can actually leverage to get a lot of customer demanding services, different content. The customer, they may want to create some copywriting for the ebook or for the landing page or for the website, or they may want to create some graphic images or even video as a promotion content or marketing content, right? Okay, for their business, right? So all this can be actually be learned from these courses, right? 5.4, as a digital marketing agency, if you are venturing into a digital marketing agency, I will provide you fast marketing content delivery with reduces cost. So I will show you how we can actually leverage on all these AI tools to quickly make a profit digital marketing agency. Also, lead generation with engaging content posting for selling insurance, car, property, and healthcare product, right? So the AI tool here can be used in any of the industry, right? Right. Industry, some professional industry like insurance, you are insurance agent, you are a car promoter, or property agent, or healthcare product, you're promoting this, right? How we can actually creating all these different content and to sell your insurance, car or property or any healthcare product. Last point, never disclose how to make money online promoting on digital product or affiliate marketing using the AI content. So if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are in the needs of digital content, right? If you are promoting or you are launching your own digital product, or you are actually promoting some other people digital product as an affiliate marketer, right? I will show you how you can quickly leverage on all this AI content, right? To actually to market, to develop, to actually to make a lot of commission, a lot of income by promoting all these digital products. So that's all I'm going to cover as part of this overall course, right? I hope you have you're going to learn a lot from these courses, and I'm sure with this knowledge and skill you're going to learn from these courses, you're going to in your life path to actually to utilize all this AI tool to make you a decent income, right? Or no, even it's not a full-time income, it could be a really good profitable side hustle income, right? So as a token of my appreciation for supporting these courses, I will give away my exclusive ChatGPT prompt bundle for free bonus. This is bundle will cost you 297 and I'm giving you for free if you can actually take this bundle of the ChatGPT prompt and start practicing all this prompt using the ChatGPT, and this is going to create you a lot of very useful, very high quality, high value content. You can actually resell this content, or you can actually keep it for your own use. So this bundle of the ChatGPT prompt, you can just copy and paste it on the ChatGPT, and you are on your way to create unlimited content for your own self or for your own business, right? So thank you so much for purchasing this course. I so see you in the next video, right? Thank you so much.